Hi guys, so you join us today. We've come to the lovely Dovestone Reservoir, and today we're going to be doing a loop of it, but we're also going to go up to the Trinicle as well and explore up there.
We got nice weather. It was raining on the way down, but it's quite nice at the moment. It's not as cold. So yeah, hope we will have a nice day.
Come join us.
I don't know how well you're gonna hear me because it's quite windy, and we just remembered that we actually have drone, which we forgot about. So we're gonna try to start it up, but we'll see how it goes.
So I've just checked to see if there were anywhere we couldn't fly around here, if there are any no-fly zones. There don't appear to be any, so we're going to give it a go. It's a little bit windy, so probably not going to fly too much over the water because I don't want to lose the drone.
No.
You might have seen in our first video, I've already crashed it once and don't want to do it again. So,
Yeah, on the first
see how it
go.
goes.
So yeah, good luck, Joshy.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I wanted to say that it's not often we go pine trees around here, which surprised me because coming from Poland, they're everywhere. And I wonder if we came during summer, if there were any mushrooms, which we like mushrooms, so we might come and see.
What do you think of this picnic spot?
A bit windy.
It's not too bad. Waterfront. More could you want? Not bad.
Hello.
Time for us to have some food, no, Michu?
Yeah. Ready to blow by those.
How
about Rudy?
So yeah, some sandwiches and is that all we've got? Sandwiches and
No,
some
some
sweets. We've got some
chocolates.
sweets as well. You've got some Reese's.
Yeah, because I don't like jellies.
And I've got some Haribo's. Tongue-tastics for the win.
I feel like Santa.
Getting sandwiches out.
What you made?
Egg and cress for today. Egg and cress.
It's quite heavy though.
Yeah, thick. Egg and cress sandwiches.
As you like.
I forgot the cheese and onion crisps, so I'm a bit gutted. We're all looking forward to them.
You're meant to be
They're
healthy.
the perfect match. And where's my Haribo's?
Oh, sorry, mate.
There it is. I've got to get the good stuff out.
I thought you meant to just have two of them.
Yes.
I
They're the
don't like
ones.
them, so I got egg peanut butter Reese's. Yum yum yum.
Can't stand peanut butter. Horrible stuff. So hence I've got the Haribo's. So, yeah. What do you think of the picnic spot?
Well, now it's not windy. It's actually really nice. Ooh, look at this sandwich.
Let's just turn ISO down here so you can actually see it and not blown out. Look at sandwiches.
You heard me eating.
Stuff in your face. Well, we're going to enjoy our little picnic and then we're going to turn back down and head towards the car. Not quite made it to Trinicle today because I only put 4 hours car park on, which...
And we forgot we like recording and talking.
Completely forgot about how long it would take with the recording as well as the walk, so a little bit shorter, but still weather's come good. It was sleeting on the way over and we're like 2 degrees, so luckily we've got like blue sky at the minute and it's not
really
rained,
gorgeous.
so all good. So that's end at walk. We're just nearly at the car park just down there now. Weather's coming, we've got quite a lot of cloud now, so it's quite cold and we're ready for home.
Yeah.
Literally just got about 10-15 minutes left on the car park, so we'd have never made it today up to the Trinicle, so we'll have to keep that for another day.
Yeah, at least we had a nice walk around this, so not round, but
nice out in fresh air.
yeah,
It's definitely been fresh. It's been really windy today. So,
I got a good jacket. Actually, I got 2 jackets and merino underneath it as well. So
yeah, I put
Kept
merino
us.
on as well today because I could
Yeah.
feel it being very chilly. So yeah, join us on the next one. Bye.